Good evening, everyone. This is ApexGrowth OG from the Twitter. Today, we're going to review NVDA, everyone's favorite. What a move that NVIDIA had for last couple days, and I know the news just broke yesterday about the Neo and NVIDIA partnership. But according to our software, the sign came in a 15-minute, way too early than this news came out. So let's take a look at it now. So on the screen right now, you see the NVIDIA for 15 minutes, and I'm gonna put last 3 days on highlight right here for you to see the momentum on the NVIDIA. So this theory that you're looking at right now is called Ichimoku cloud. It's one of the well-known theory, Japanese theory since 1929. So many traders use this, and I personally use this. And what we have done here is we have looked at the theory and combined the theory into the coding system, the script. So we wrote the script based on what we know about the theory, which help us to generate this signal right here. You see this one right here, one right here, one right here. So this signal will tell us to go buy the calls or put on any given stock. And for right now, we're looking at NVIDIA because this is a hot, everyone's favorite right now. 15 minutes chart. This is 15 minutes chart, 5 days. The first sign came in, the signal came in on a 1/7/21 January when the price was 515. And as I said, when you see the sign for the 15 minutes, you normally buy the weekly or the next week options. If you see the sign for the 4 hour or 1 hour, you can always buy the long term. But this is what we have seen in 15 minutes. So we could have opened the position for the next week or the same week. The 7 was last week, so we could have opened position for this week, longer calls, 520, 530. And if you would have kept it, you see what happened today with this monster move for 558. So the sign came here on 515 and all the way up here. The stock has rose to 558. This is a monster move. And we caught it here. Look at the sign. We had to play the put a little bit because the sign was negative. On Friday, we almost made $1,500 on playing the puts. And look at where the momentum is today for the stock. So this theory and this cloud theory are really going to help you make consistent profit in each and every stock because this is automatically generated when all the theory get aligned according to Ichimoku cloud. That's where you're going to get the sign. So this is 15 minutes, looking very bullish right now. As long as the stock can stay above this particular line right here, it's bullish. So it's still fine right now. But let's take a look at the 1 hour. In 20 to 1 hour, sign came in the pre-market. Even the sign came on 7th, which is last week. And when I said when you see the sign in 1 hour, you should open a longer position 2-3 weeks out. And if you have open position, the contract price for 560 was really cheap this week and next week, and you could have made a fortune based on the sign that was in our theory. But right now, the first resistance is right here, which is 20-day moving average. It's 543. So that's the one safe zone for the NVIDIA right now. The second support is 540. And then third one is 536. As long as stock will stay between this particular dotted line and this pink line, we should be fine because then it will have a bounce. But if it goes below this line, then I would worry and I will close on my call position and move into puts or maybe just look at longer to see what happened. But look like momentum is really good and this stock can go a little bit higher. May reclaim 560 tomorrow, but the only way it's possible if the market supported it. So the market support, the stock gonna fly tomorrow. This is just the analysis for this week. But if it stays above this line and manage to stays above 550, it will continue higher and higher for a little bit, even for a longer time. So that's 1 hour. Let's just quickly look at the 4 hour. 4 hour look more bullish. Right now the support at 540. So as long as it can touch 540, we're still fine. It can jump from 540. And again, the market momentum for the last couple of days is not that great with all the news and everything that's going on. I truly believe that it could happen that tomorrow, once we open, we could go to 540 touch and then bounce from here. But as long as it's touch 540, I'm fine. If close below, I'll think about it to see maybe open different position or change to puts. But the second support is right here, 533. The third is right here, 531. So these are the three supports we have in 4 hour, 1 hour, and 15 minutes. This is NVIDIA for this week and next week trend. Any question, please DM on my Twitter handle at ApexGrowthOptionGuru. Thank you. Good night.